Good evening. I am Sylvia, the crafty old lady, and yesterday I went to my very first estate sale, and if you can believe it, it was right around the corner from my house. We could walk there, but I did find a few things, and I'm going to show you what I got. I got this little Fiesta Ware creamer, which I think is adorable. I think it was $5, so I didn't think that was too bad. And I got this Jewel Tea Hall's Superior quality kitchenware little mixing bowl, and my husband can remember his mother having the set like this, and we have a teacup and saucer with the same pattern, and it was like there was a salesman that would go around to the houses selling Jewel tea, and you could win these parts of the sets as prizes. So we got that to remember his mother by. And I got some candles for my, what do you call it? Wax seals. But I also found a bunch of what I'm assuming is vintage fabric. It looks vintage to me. So we got that one. This one maybe not so vintage. Got a whole bunch of strips like of this fabric, which I thought would make nice pockets, belly bands, ruffles, tabs, things like that. Then I have this, so cute. This, hope you're seeing these good. This is another little patch of that fabric that I just showed you. They had a whole bunch of this, so I just got a little bit because, you can always use this kind of fabric. Oh, this is the same one I just showed you. What a pretty one for autumn. These would make great covers, some of these. It's like almost like little cherries or berries of some kind. And these are just little tiny red flowers. I don't know if you can see. Another autumny kind of colored one. I thought this would make a really cute summer journal cover. And as you can see, I like all the pastel-y fabrics. This one, I'm not sure if this is vintage or not. I think I've seen this in the stores before, but it's very pretty. Christmas journal, maybe. And then we have these little tiny, it's like heart flowers. So that's that. But now the best I saved for last. And I have always wanted one of these for so long, and I finally found it, and it is a ledger book. It was $15, which I don't know if that's cheap or not, but I got it because I just felt like I couldn't pass it up. I actually went yesterday and I didn't see this, and I went back today to see if maybe they had lowered the prices because it was, going to be closing, and they didn't lower the prices, but I found this, so I was very happy. It says S.G. Pomeroy, book number 8, November 29th, 1910. And then it has some blank pages. And then the ledger starts. And it's very difficult to read. I don't even know if you can see it, but it's pretty interesting. I am probably going to take it apart and use some of it for journals. I might scan some of it. Some of them are still empty. And I just thought it was so neat. Oh, what's that one? Something has been... Oh, this is like attached to... Oh, S.G. Pomeroy, West Oneonta. That is very interesting. I didn't notice this in there before. Apparently the Fidelity and Casualty Company sent him a check for $8. Huh, interesting. Wow. That is so cool. All right, well, I think that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching.